guys, my name is ABDAL Khan and you are watching my bucket list. Today I'm going to give a lecture on quadratic equation. Before going towards the discussion, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. You will receive my lectures with the help of notification, and also like, share, comment on my video. So now we go towards the discussion. So the in ninth class books or in 10th class books there's a chapter which name is quadratic equation, and first of all we have to know about the meaning of quadratic equation. What does the meaning of quadratic equation? The main meaning of quadratic equation is there are two words, okay? Quadratic and equation. Quad means square, okay? Quad means square and equation means sign of equality, okay? Sign of equality. Quad means square and equation means sign of equality. So the equation which in which the maximum power of x is 2 and having sign of equality is called equation, and and overall it is called as quadratic equation, okay? So it is a main meaning, and it is solved by three ways: with factorization method, with completing square method, and with formula method. There are three types to solve the quadratic equation, and the standard form of quadratic equation is x square sorry x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. Standard form of quadratic equation, okay? This is the standard form of quadratic equation, and with every quadratic equation chapter there's a question: only solve the equation, solve the equation, solve the equation. And this is the only question comes in quadratic equation chapter. And what did our students do? They do when a teacher asks a question, what's the meaning of solve, they translate is hal kare, okay? Hal kare. No, do not translate it from English to Urdu. The meaning of solve is find the value of x, find the value of x, okay? Or y, sorry. Its meaning is to find the value of x, and like x is unknown, y is unknown, and we have to find the value of x or y, okay? So it's in the every question in quadratic equation chapter is solve the equation, and about this any other kind of question will not come. Only a single question will come: solve, okay? So I'll give an example, like x squared minus 11 x plus 24 minus 0 minus is equal to 0. X squared minus 11x plus 24. So we have to find the value of x in this. This is a quadratic equation because the maximum power of x is 2. So it is called quadratic, and there is a sign of equality. So overall it is called as quadratic equation, and we have to prove by it by factorization method, and leave the first one and the last one, 24, okay? Therefore find two digits when you that kind of two digits when you multiply the two digits and it comes the value of 24x squared, and when you add or subtract that two values and it comes minus 11x. And we had found this kind of values, like, and this kind of values is when you multiply it, and it will, the answer must be 24x, okay, 24x squared, and when you add it or subtract it, the answer must be minus 11x, okay. And that two values are 3 and 8. 3 and 24, and when you add these 3 and 8, it becomes 11, okay. And we have to x, okay. And we have to put the signs of 3 and 8, minus, okay. Put the value sign minus, because in multiplication minus into minus becomes plus, and when you when you minus subtract with minus, the values are added and the sign is remain minus, because minus is equal to minus, okay. Minus is equal to minus, okay. And so minus 3x minus 8x, okay, is equal to minus 11x. And put in the equation minus 3x minus 8x, okay. Now take common, in this x is common, x is equal to x minus 3. Then in this again take common, and the common is minus 8, okay. Minus 8, here is come x, sorry, this come plus, okay, plus 24 x. And when we take the minus in common, then the values inside the bracket is changed, okay. If there is a plus, then it becomes minus, and if there is minus, it becomes plus, okay. And so it's plus, it becomes minus 3, okay, is equal to 0, okay. And and when you take the common in factorization method, and if the common is equal, is same, then you think that the factorization is correct, okay. And if the common are not correct, then you is not same, then you think that factorization is not correct, okay. And we have gone to the next stage, okay. So we again take common, there's 2 times x minus 3, so we write 1 time, and x minus 8 is equal to 0. X minus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 8 is equal to 0. X is equal to 3. Here it is minus, and when we send it to the other side, its value change, plus, and x is equal to 8, okay. Now solutions, now we find the value of x, okay. So what is the question? Solve, okay. And solve means to find the value of x, and now we find the before the question, in question x was unknown, and now we find the value of x, and the solution set is, okay, x 3 8 is the answer, okay. Now we find the x, and the solve means to find the value of x. So guys, this is a small lecture on quadratic equation, and if you like this video, if you understand the lecture, please subscribe my channel, and also hit the bell icon. You will receive my latest videos with the help of notification, and also like, comment, share on my video, and see you in further videos.